of my vacation. Can you see, before I start this whole video, can you see how tanned I am? And I'm not even tanned, I'm literally burnt. Like, can you see the red? It is awful. I'm literally peeling, like it hurts so bad. Like, I have so much cream on me, like sun SPF, to the point where I feel like an oil block, like literally. But anyways, lovies, this will be a vacation vlog, and I'm currently in Cape Verde in Africa, and it's so hot here, I can't. And today in this vlog, I'll be showing you guys what I do in a day, the beach, what I eat, the pools, the weather, the scenery. It is so pretty here. The only problem is that you burn it here, and even though I put SPF on, it wasn't strong enough. So, you know, if I look at any point too dark, you can see my hair is lighter than my skin. We can ignore that. I'll also do a outfit of the day in 1 minute with you guys, but don't forget my socials are down below, always linked, and it's Stassi Princess on Instagram and TikTok. Anyways guys, let me give you guys a little outfit haul. So for the top, I have a pink bikini on underneath, and then I have my Hollister baby doll pink top that I brought in my last vlog, as you guys probably remember if you watched that. I have my basic jewellery on. This is jewellery I always wear. It's this gold cross and then this 4-leaf clover. That's silver from Pandora that I got for my 18th birthday. And for bottoms, I have my pink bikini underneath and these baggy jeans on top, just because I don't want my legs burning today. It is currently 12 and I did not wake up for breakfast, but the lunch buffet is open in very soon. It opens at 12:30, so let's go do that, and then we can walk around, see some shops, maybe go to the beach later or to the pools, collect some seashells. I have a really pretty jar. So yeah, this day is kind of unplanned from now on, but I feel like we're going to have so much fun, and we have a dinner reservation later, so you know, we'll look good, we'll eat well. Anyways, lovies, let's go eat because I'm so hungry. Lovies, I can't even put my makeup on because all of my makeup is for pale skin, and I'm so like red and brown right now, to the point where like I'll just look crazy. Anyways, I have my bag on my shoulder and it burns, like literally just having my bag, because it's rubbing against my skin and my skin's like peeling. Oh my goodness. On this island, there's so many stray cats, like every single island really. It's not this island, but a lot of islands that are hot and aren't as, like, you know, economically wealthy, there's always so much stray animals, and I always feel so bad for them. And they're always so skinny as well, because even though if they do eat, they might not have the most healthiest food always. They might have leftovers, so they're always quite skinny. But yeah, I think my plan for today is I'll spend more time with this kitty, and then I'll go look at the shops and the souvenirs, and then I might go get my mum, and then we might go to the beach because the weather's okay today, and I think I want to collect some seashells.
What the dog doing? What the dog doing?
Hi lovies, so the plan for now on is I just showered, I brushed my hair, I got changed. I'll show you guys my fit in 1 minute, but I think the plan for the evening is we have dinner reservations at 7:30, something like that, and then from now on I think I might just go on a walk, get a snack, and yeah.
What the dog doing?
You sleepy baby. Lobbies, it's literal parkour up here. Like, you have to go across all of these rocks. I feel like a mountain goat.